The disobedience of parents is such a sin, it is such a crime in the eye of Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala, that other sins, Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala sometimes delays the punishment. But when it comes to disobedience to parents, then Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala punishes the person very, very quickly. And also when it comes to rewards, Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala gives rewards for obedience to parents very quickly, even in this world. Blesses the person with long life, blesses him with barakat in his sustenance, and so many other blessings are given. Why? Because our coming into this world, they became the means. Brothers, we will not appreciate our parents until we have children, especially daughters. And when these daughters will be bringing up their children, 3, 4 children, 5, 6 children, and when we see our daughters spending whole night sometimes, because 3 children have got diarrhea, someone has got stomachache, someone has got headache, someone is sick and ill, washing this person, changing that one, then at that time we appreciate what our mothers must have gone through. If we have to discuss this subject, it will make our hair stand on end. That how people are making football of their parents these days. Just because we've got some strength in our bodies, and when we become young and fit and healthy, that's the time the parents begin to get old and weak. Rasulullah Pak Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, one Sahabi asked him that who is the one deserving most my khidmat? Nabi alayhi salatu wasalam said, Ummuk, your mother. So thereafter he said, your mother. So thereafter he said, your mother. So thereafter he said, your father. 3 times he said, your mother.